Surmi, a main dish from Bulgaria. Serves 8. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Fry the finely chopped onions in some of the oil and some water. Step 2. Stir the paprika and take off the stove. Step 3. Add the meat, rice, pepper, mint, and finely chopped parsley. Step 4. Pour over warm salted water and simmer until the water has been absorbed by the rice. Step 5. Scale the vine or cabbage leaves with salted hot water and put 1 teaspoon of the mixture on each leaf. Step 6. Roll together and arrange in a saucepan. Pour over 3/2 cupful of warm water and 1 teaspoon fat, close with a lid and simmer on a low fire. 7. When ready, pour over the beaten yogurt and melted butter with stirred in vegetables. Step 8. The same recipe may be used for stuffed peppers, eggplants, and zucchini. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.